Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NestCam shared access with family accounts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable NestCam shared access with family accounts, start by opening the Nest app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your Nest account. Locate the camera you want to share access to on the home screen. Tap on the camera to open its live view. In the top right corner, tap the settings icon. Scroll down to find the option for Family and Sharing. Select Family and Sharing to proceed. Tap on Invite Family Member to add a new person. Enter the email address of the family member you'd like to invite. Choose the level of access you wish to grant them. Select whether you want to allow them viewing only or full control access. After setting permissions, tap Send Invite. The family member will receive an email invitation to join your Nest account. Instruct them to accept the invitation by following the link in the email. Once they have accepted, they will have access to your Nest Cam based on the permissions you've set. To remove access at any point, return to the Family and Sharing section. Select the family member you want to remove and tap on Remove. Confirm the removal to revoke access. Your Nest Cam is now set up for shared access with family accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.